Once a set of criteria has been configured in Fabric as a standard, there are tools available to track different versions of the standard, and their uses across instruments. This video will provide a short summary of how to manage revised standards. Whenever a change is made to a working standard, those changes will instantly be reflected on any working instruments that use the standard. However, the content for any previously published versions of the instrument will not be changed. When a new standard is fully configured, or updates are completed on an existing standard, click Publish. This will save the current configuration of the standard into a read-only version. On the publishing screen, enter a version name for the standard, a published date for the standard, which will affect how it interacts with newly published instruments that use the standard, and a description, which is an optional field to describe additional detail about the version of the standard, especially differences from the previously published version. Once a standard is published, it can be viewed in the Publish tab. You can edit the version name and description after publishing, but not the publish date or configuration of the standard. As long as a published standard is not archived, it can be viewed in the Standards tab of My Items and ORGrep. When publishing an instrument that uses criteria from one or more standards, the evaluation date will determine which published versions of the standards will be used. This will be the most recent published versions of the standard on or before the evaluation date. If two different versions of a standard were published on August 12th and May 12th, an evaluation date of August 12th or after will use the configuration from the version published on August 12th. An evaluation date anytime before August 12th will use the version published on May 12th.